people never misses.
You just have to video this and then send it to Blizzard and be like, this is what you've done.
Yep.
You reap what you sow, Blizzard. Look at this bullshit. Dude, dampening's starting to pick up too, so this might actually work out for you. He's gonna stop being able to kill himself so fucking bad.
Alright, it's go time.
So Discipline Priests don't have a cooldown on their shield anymore? He doesn't get that debuff at all, he just fucking like... Yeah, no problem. 18%. I think if we ran again and fucking waited for your portals one more time, we can get him.
That's what we're gonna do.
Fuck yeah.
This is how Blizzard wants us to play.
This is the game they'd like to play. Ooh, I don't know about this elongated one, dude. Head back to the smaller pillar.
Yep.
Oh my god, this is so bad to have to pull out.
He's gonna probably try to res him, but fuck that.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, I don't think the Spell Hunter will let him know that. Yeah, he's trying to kill your Spell Hunter. He's definitely gonna try to res him.
It's okay.
Yeah, that makes things easier for you if you keep killing him.
Yeah, you can keep playing like this. motherfucker.